Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how you can share and create a Google Calendar. It's a very easy process. Hope you guys can follow through. And yeah, this is how you can do it. So as you can see, I have currently opened up my Google Calendar, and on the left side, you can see all the calendars that I have created or have been created through the process of time inside of my email. So now in this part, I will show you how you can create a new calendar. All you have to do is click on this plus button on the other calendar section. Once you click on that, you can see an option which says create new calendar. Just click on that and give your calendar a name. Let's say I give this example and I click on create calendar. Now the calendar creation process will begin and it will make a new calendar for you through which you can mark individual dates and you can schedule a lot of stuff. Google Calendar is great. And yeah, once you can see on the left side that the calendar has now been created. All you have to do is go back now and you can see that the calendar example is created. Once that's done, click on the three dots and click on settings and sharing. Once you click on settings and sharing, you can scroll down and see an option which says share with specific people or groups. All you have to do now is click on add people and groups and tap or type in the email of the person that you want to share this calendar with. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.